Hey everyone, just thought I'd do a quick video on the Apex engineering rear end for the Datsun 1600 510. Had lots of questions about it. Lots of people asking when it's going to be in the car and what it's like. So I thought while it's mocked up here on the bench, it'd be a good easy way just to go through it and have a look at it. Overall, really happy with it, how it looks. It's nice and solid. You know, no concerns of it being too lightweight or not robust enough. If anything, it's probably on the heavier side than what I was hoping for, but at least we won't break anything. To get it in the car, we need to clearance the body on this section here, where it mounts on the back of the diff. The standard sheet metal that's in the body crashed into it, so we need to fix that. To get the travel out of the car, so when it travels through its motion, again, some of the body clearance here will need to be fixed up. But the biggest reason we didn't get it in the car before time attack is the shock mount. So we run MCA coilovers, which the spring is down the bottom, and that basically crashes into this top arm here. So what we're going to do is over the next few weeks is get it in the car, do all the clearancing that we need, and then work out what we need to do to modify this bottom section to have the shock fit and mount and have it working. So yeah, pretty keen to get it in the car and see what it's like.